Have you ever wondered what really powers modern IT service management? It's not just processes anymore, it's practices. And in ITIL 4, this shift isn't just a buzzword. It's a complete reimagining of how we design, deliver, and improve IT services to create value. In this video, we're going to dive into the 34 ITIL 4 management practices, what they are, how they work, and why they're essential for IT professionals, graduate students, and future leaders in the digital enterprise. Before we go any further, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates or coworkers. This content is designed for graduate students in the MS Information Systems program at the Dr. Sam Pack College of Business, and it's also perfect for anyone pursuing ITIL 4 Foundation certification or stepping into IT service leadership. Let's start with the big idea. In earlier versions of ITL, especially ITIL v3, the framework emphasized processes, detailed workflows that laid out steps, inputs, and outputs. While useful, processes can often be too rigid in today's fast-paced, agile, cloud-powered environments. That's why ITIL 4 replaced the concept of processes with something much more dynamic: practices. So what is a practice in ITIL 4? A practice is defined as a set of organizational resources, not just processes, but also people, information, technology, tools, and partnerships, all working together to perform a task or accomplish a goal. It's a broader, more flexible, and more realistic way to manage the complexity of today's IT environments. The ITIL 4 framework introduces 34 distinct practices, organized into 3 categories: general management practices, service management practices, and technical management practices. Let's look at each one. First, the general management practices. There are 14 of these, and they're adapted from traditional business management disciplines. You'll see practices like continual improvement, which helps organizations evolve and refine over time, information security management, which safeguards data and systems, and risk management, which identifies threats and protects business continuity. These practices form the foundation of strong organizational governance and are critical in areas like planning, engagement, and long-term improvement. Next, we have the 17 service management practices. These are the heart of IT service delivery. They include familiar concepts like incident management, restoring service as quickly as possible, and problem management, which focuses on root cause analysis and prevention. You'll also find practices like change enablement, which ensures that updates and deployments are made safely and strategically, and service request management, which handles everyday user needs like password resets or access requests. These practices align with the design and transition, deliver and support, and engage stages of the ITIL Service Value Chain. Finally, the technical management practices. There are only 3 in this group, but they're essential for the build and run side of IT. These include software development and management, which oversees the design and lifecycle of custom applications, infrastructure and platform management, which focuses on servers, cloud services, and networks, and deployment management, which ensures releases are moved into production safely and efficiently. So why does this matter to you? Each of these 34 practices maps to one or more areas of the service value chain, which we covered in Module 3. For example, during the plan stage, you'll lean on practices like architecture management and portfolio management. In the engage stage, you'll use relationship management and supplier management. When it's time to deliver and support services, you'll need service desk, monitoring, and incident management. Every practice plays a part in co-creating value. Let's bring this to life with a scenario. Imagine an organization has just rolled out a major system upgrade, but suddenly, users can't log in. Phones are ringing off the hook, and customer trust is dropping fast. What happens next? First, the service desk practice kicks in. They handle user communication and open tickets. Incident management jumps in to restore access as quickly as possible. Meanwhile, problem management works in the background to identify what went wrong. Deployment management checks if the release was handled properly. And finally, continual improvement collects feedback, identifies gaps, and ensures that this kind of disruption doesn't happen again. See how the practices come together? They're not isolated, they're interconnected, modular, and adaptable. That's what makes ITIL 4 so powerful in today's service economy. Here's a quick challenge for you. Think about a recent project, internship, or real-world situation where something didn't go quite right. Maybe a project failed to meet deadlines, or a rollout created unexpected issues. Ask yourself, which ITL practices could have helped? Where in the value chain did the failure occur? And what could you improve for next time? This kind of thinking isn't just academic. It's what separates entry-level technicians from true IT leaders. As we wrap up, remember this. ITIL 4's 34 practices represent a toolkit, not a checklist. You use what you need when you need it to create value, reduce risk, and deliver better services. Whether you're working in cybersecurity, project management, software development, or IT operations, these practices apply across industries and job roles. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Which ITIL 4 practice are you most excited to use in your career? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your peers. And be sure to join us for the next module, where we'll dive even deeper into the practices that power great IT organizations. Thanks for watching, and keep building systems that matter.